One of my favorite things is my 2-in-1 refrigerator freezer in my garage. Much of the year, it makes sense that it's a freezer, but at certain times, like the holidays, it is fridge space that is seriously lacking. With the touch of a button, I had the entire fridge ready for all things holiday. I moved the shelves around to accommodate bottles and cans and some holiday platters. I'm expecting a lot of leftovers. This transformation has allowed me to do preparation ahead of time because refrigerator space is not a barrier.